Hello, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will be discussing on the numbers in Python. Okay, so maybe you might be wondering why we need numbers in Python, right? Okay. See, basically from like if you want to calculate anything, so we need a numbers. So it's not even calculating, or if you want to run some complex data analysis, for almost all everything we need a Python. Okay, and this Python deals with the numbers. When you say data analysis, so you will have a numbers and that deals with the Python. Okay, so in this video we will learn everything you need to know about the numbers in Python within under 8 minutes. Okay, including integer, floating numbers, and few of the standard mathematics operators, and some built-in functions in Python. Okay, so let's jump in to the video and see what other things are available in Python. Okay, so if you see in Python, we have a integers, we have a float number. Okay, so when you say integer, you can see I will write age as 25. So normally when I say age is 25, I will not say my age is 25.2, 25.4, right? Will not say in decimal number. Okay. Similarly, when we say price, so we'll say 19.99. Okay. So if you see here, we have two numbers. One is integer and one is float, right? Normally decimal. So if I print this type of age, okay, and also I'll try to print try for price. Okay, so let's run this. Okay. So if you see this output, right, the first one it is saying it as int class, and another one it is saying as float. Okay, so how you are going to use these integer or a float numbers in our Python, right? So Python basically supports mathematical operators. Okay, so when I say mathematical operator, we have a addition, we have a subtraction, we have a multiplication and division. Okay, so basically we call these things as a mathematical operators, and also we have a modulus. Okay, okay, so these are the few basic mathematical operators what we are going to discuss now. So now we'll see how to use these operators in Python to do some mathematical operations. Okay, let's say a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 2. Okay, so now I'm going to perform some mathematical operations on this. So what I do, I will do print a plus b. Okay, print a minus b. Print a star b. Print a divided by b. A divided by b. Okay, so first I will try with these four mathematical operators. So if I run this thing, you can see here a plus b is 12 and a minus b is 8. A multiplied by 2 it's 10 and a divided by b is 5. Okay, so now what I do, so these are the basic operators what I try. Now we'll try to do modulus of that. Okay, when I say modulus a, so what it gives basically, so when I say modulus, it gives me the remainder Okay. So if I run this, so as it is, a is divided by 2, so I get a remainder as 0. Okay. So now we'll see one more concept, one more thing is exponential. Okay, so how to get this exponential? So we do print of a star star e. Okay, so it's exponential nothing but the power of 2. Okay, or a power of b value. So I have a 10, 10 to the power 2, it's 100, right? So I should get 100 here. Okay, so these are all the basic mathematical operators which are available in Python. Okay, so now we do some type conversion. Okay, so let's say x is equal to 5, y is equal to 2.5, and if I say result of this, uh, x, x plus y. So if I print, see basically what I'm doing is here is I'm adding integer with a decimal. Okay, so what I get is the number what we get, it will be in decimal format. Okay, so if I see type of result, so it will say class as float. Okay, so now similarly we try number of number is equal to, what I do, I will call this number as a string. So now if I want to add this string with another integer, okay, so what I do, I will convert this int string to integer. Like in the last video, in one of my last video, we discussed how to do conversions. Okay, so if you are not watched, please go and check the last video where we are doing different conversions. Okay, so now I'm converting this string to integer and adding another integer value. So if I print this, okay, so I get a 150. So if I do type of, so what I get, it shows as an integer. Okay, so this is how we are going to use uh, type conversion for numbers or to do some mathematical operations in Python. Okay, so in Python we have some built-in functions. Okay, so example ABS, round, and max and minimum value. Okay, let's see how to use this these functions in Python. Okay, so what I do, print of ABS of minus 10. Okay, so now I'm giving absolute. So basically, ABS is nothing but absolute value. So when I run this, so I should expect value as a 10. Okay, so I will try the other one. Print round of 3.3444. Okay, so this is what we expect is, so as I have, okay, instead of 444 I will give 678. Okay, so here what I expect is I should get 3.34. Okay, and I will be giving here the round up value. Okay, how many digits I need to consider. So if I do this, so I will get the output as 3.34. Okay, then we have one more thing, maximum. Okay, so what it will do, it will try to get the maximum value from in the list, whatever the data we provided. Okay, so here the maximum is 12. So I should expect 12. Similarly, we'll add a minimum also, the minimum we should get 2. Let's run this. So if you see here, I get the absolute value as a 10 and the round value is 3.35. Maximum value is 12, minimum value is 2. Okay. So these are all the basic operators and the usage of number in Python. But as it is a crash course, so we'll not discuss many things on data analysis and all. So hope you like this video. If this video helped you to understand the Python numbers, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.